In today's video, we're going to be showing you this awesome brand new construction in the neighborhood of Addison Heights here in Arlington, Virginia. The house is located at 831 23rd Street South, and it's listed by Deyi Awadallah from D.S.A. Properties and Investments, LLC. This home's thoughtfully designed floor plan offers elegance and modern sophistication. Priced at $2,099,000, it's a great opportunity to live in Arlington, close but not in D.C., near the Pentagon, Amazon HQ2, and super easy access to major highways and Crystal City Metro Station. The home features 5 spacious bedrooms, 2 dens, 4.5 well-designed bathrooms, a 2-car garage, tall ceilings, and a very nice backyard. All of this nestled in a 6,000 square foot lot and almost 4,200 square feet of brand new construction on 3 levels. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. As soon as you get into the house, you are greeted with this very nice foyer. And right at the entrance, you're gonna have the first den, which could be a studio or your office. And it is very nice. Tons of natural light. And it has a closet, so this is actually not a den, this is an actual, could be considered a room. Anyways, coat closet and your first powder room, which you can use for your guests or to take your necessary breaks. And as soon as you pass the studio, you are in the great room, which again gets tons of natural light. There is windows in pretty much all directions. If you like to entertain, this is a perfect island. It is huge. It must have like 8-9 feet. And you have your dining room, which obviously you can seat 8 people easily. And then you have your family room with a gas fireplace. Now let's go and take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is big. You're gonna find first these 36 inches gas range. And on this side, you're gonna have a wine cooler and your pull-out microwave, and of course dishwasher, and you have this column refrigerator and freezer, which is pretty big with a small pantry area. Then past the kitchen, this is also more storage. You can use it as a coat closet or more pantry space / butler's room, and you have your mudroom. The mudroom opens to a big 2-car garage. And in this 2-car garage, it's already wired for your electric vehicle, and you have a side access for the backyard. All right, let's go back inside. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about the different neighborhoods, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so that you're informed every week when we post a new video. And if you're moving from another state to Northern Virginia, you're relocating inside the area, please make sure you give us a call, send us a text message, send us a telegram, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions, you want to sell a house, you want to buy a house, let us know. We're here to assist you. So let's go to the top floor. So here on the top floor, you are going to find 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So let's start with the secondary bedrooms first. But before, here would be your laundry room, and I apologize, I forgot to turn on the light. There you go. Full size, side-by-side washer and dryer with plenty of storage. All right, so this would be your first bedroom. Again, incredible amount of light, and you have closet space, big closet space. And this bedroom has a full bathroom. Very nice glass shower, and I'm very happy with the selection. They are modern, yet very timeless. Neutral colors, it's very, I mean, it will suit most likely your taste or anybody's taste. So this would be the first bedroom on the top floor. Let's go to the second bedroom. Here you have your linen closet, and you have then your bedroom number 2. This bedroom has also a closet space, and it has a Jack and Jill bathroom shared with bedroom number 3. Toilet, shower, and 2 sinks. And then you walk a little bit further and you are on bedroom number 3. Also very spacious. Closet. So without further ado, let's take a look at the owner's suite. You have these French doors that open up to a very spacious place that has its own gas fireplace. Very well done, super tasty, very well done, very tastefully done. This black fireplace is very nice. And then before we go into the bathroom, let's take a look at the closet. And here you have your walk-in closet, which is a blank canvas. You can make it your own. Then we are gonna have your primary bathroom. Toilet, and you have a very nice tub under the window. And I love what they did here with this shower. It is huge. You're gonna have 2 shower heads. And again, the tile selection, it is very nice. I love this hexagon tile here on the floor. If you want a private tour of this house or any other house here in Northern Virginia, please make sure to send me a text message with the word tour. I'll make sure to accommodate your schedule and show you around town. Let's go to the basement. Here in the basement, it is very spacious, and again, you get the tall ceilings. So it's a fully usable basement. You're gonna have a wet bar with a wine rack, a very nice sitting area. You can have a TV, you can have a music system, you can have a music room. You can do game night here, and you have access to the backyard directly from the basement. So in the basement, you're gonna have a den and a bedroom with a full bathroom. Let's look at the bathroom first. Fun tile, I really like that green tile. And again, another glass shower. I would say that this is the additional, oh, this is the den, because it doesn't have direct access to the outside, but you easily can make this your gym, exercise room, I mean. And then you're gonna have your bedroom here in the basement, which does have access to the outside through the, or escape to the outside, I would say. And you have a big closet space. Now let's take a look at the mechanical room. Never seen these loop doors. This is very nice. You have your gas, and you have a tankless water heater and your secondary or your main HVAC. You have two. There's one here that controls the basement and the main level, and then one on the top that controls the second level. And I don't know if you noticed in the video, but you're gonna have a very nice access to speakers throughout the entire house that you can connect here. And of course, everything is already wired directly here in the basement. You have storage here in under the staircase. So let's go to the outside and wrap up the video. Off of the living room and the dining room, kitchen area, you're gonna have this wonderful deck with access to a nice backyard. Again, thank you very much for touring with me this gorgeous new construction here in Addison Heights in Arlington, Virginia. And remember, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell because we post videos every week. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington today, and we'll see you next week.